Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the peel. Test edges and gauge how deep the damage goes. Remove loose paint and surface rust now, using a scraper and 80-120 grit sandpaper until edges feather smoothly. Once done, mask trim, glass, and seams carefully so you only work on the affected area. Clean the sanded surface with wax and grease remover and dry it completely. This ensures adhesion. Make sure to wear gloves and a respirator, safety first, because contaminants ruin the repair. You now rebuild the surface. Mix and apply polyester body filler into deep pits, shaping it slightly proud of the panel so you can sand to perfect contour. After the filler cures, sand with 180-220 grit, then feather the edges into surrounding paint until transitions disappear. Wipe with tack cloth and apply an epoxy or etch primer in 2 light coats, allowing 5-10-minute flash times between passes. This creates a uniform, adhesion-ready base. Remember to keep coats thin to avoid runs. You finish by applying the base coat. Spray 2-3 thin layers, allowing 10-15-minute flash between coats and blending 2-3 inches into adjacent paint to hide the repair. Once color is uniform, apply 2 wet coats of clear coat with 50-70% overlap, watching for runs. Let the panel cure 24-48 hours, then wet sand with 1,000-1,500 grit if needed and polish to match gloss. If you see orange peel or runs, let it dry fully, sand smooth, and re-clear or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.